Problem a what central business area. KGT adon friend no KGT Dubai no. That kind 10 fe mutan.
NPP NDC a dia semwa. A dia na Ghana for yenyemo. A dia musu and a Ghana ni boy yes sir. Ya beja tum ni ebeto abade yi obi se wo na nka onim die ne wadwene said your money e wo mu no nka obetimi aboa ye nti yem pagya wo enkosi di brebi na nka beboa ye. This is an unfortunate statement ever to be made from someone of your caliber. Nka sa asem wo senke ni kwansen ke firi obi a watena ban for 20 good years, serving 3 consecutive terms as a member of parliament. Now watena so as a regional minister for 8 solid years. Yemiem nanti aseni nyadwuma. Honorable Simon Osemensa, sa asem wo say is below belt. Sanka nimdia kwanso adwini mu nti asemu. Sanka epo bi amana criticize dwumadie bi a nanka nya wanka tumi bi behye wonsa nanka osanka utimi change the future of a certain sector within a certain years a ebeka wonsa. Wotina Osomchu constituency as a MP from 2005 to 2009 as your first term in the Fourth Republic. From 2009 to 2013 as a second term. From 2013 to 2017 as your third term. As in during your time as the MP, Yamfantuo, because whatever be a course you be was within your constituency. And sana yeba besis and nema at the whole region at the Abeshawunza for 8 solid years under Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo's administration. Certain words like this are quite shocking coming from someone what's not Bemu for 20 good years. If you are to compare and contrast from the time I started practicing multi-party system, you who the reality of that on 7th January 1993. Na Emma you the former president, the late Jerry John Rawlings Aban in 1993 no. Nanki ajatum some multi-party system and a berule. She achieved from 1993 by BC and net 2026 33 years. Within all time I was serving under politics, was serving in politics for 20 years, 12 years as member of parliament and 8 years as regional minister. No, Echiro say, wo si epe wo mu ankomo etimi nya amamuo so mfaso. Wona wasanko etimi nya amamuo so mfaso de bo man no. Wona nka etimi abo wo man de si di brebi. Wona ebu oman no. Wona abo oman na bra nka ye wa because 20 years out of 33 or 34 years no. It is telling you say when you're more than enough to medie no, when you're more than enough authority no, when you're more than enough and kabitim that change the sad face of the region and kayetimono. Now so you huni ye na yetimina ye boy ya brono ye boy nsem de mamu ankasa ne san so tum mu ye nwum because ya kasa ko enim de yepe intasembisa ne say for someone now serve as a regional minister ebia na oni mujumedie ebia na person ka kire Ghana for say ya adwene enim de e wo fom intini enim tumi e de hye wonsa inti saa na apase yete ase inti wo betu mfuturo e de agu Ghana for nyina anim inti ase ni nie na enim de akwanso ya twen adwen e de asisu say under the article 256 of 1992 constitution and the local government act 2016 at 936 eche udumedie no na yebechem ni achirim ni ehia timamuni Ghana ni wa otimi reading out right no obeti ase say tumidie no any power na yede manipa no mu bi no abro ne mumuyo nti no one day to nchen they fight for personal interest na mmom se tumi ni from se wi a no more person wote ase say enka de we say na ti o na obenten ana anya ne sa meanwhile na nkasa ni pakro no e wo sa tumidie no. Now the first point under the 256 of the 1992 constitution, the article no emunkomo and the local government act 2016 at 936 actually said a regional minister is serve as the representative of that region or team no into that region no yamfa ne say Ashanti region hunkomo ne yedi ne sesi ya you become the president of the Ashanti region, you become the president of that region into whatever be a president epesi wo ye bia no wo ene siwso in that region it becomes you become the mouth, the ear and the head of the ruling party or the ruling government. Inti nka wo yenkwate meka yenni enum nka yentu anamo de nka regional minister wo ena nkehye wo nsa. That is your first point. And you become the representative of the president at that level. No, said the bianco being for being sound home fanko. Na ko different side. Na nka achira kwan no. Na mmom no wo na nka opagya de ko. Na ko bebi wo se ko na regionate me apen ntuma pa e de fra. Point 2, you become the chairman of the regional coordinating council, meaning from the MCEs, the DCEs, the MMCEs, or whoever be at the local government side, no. Wo ena woda wo nyina no. They all directly report to you. Whatever be a air course or the downside ninyano, who will send the BBC as the regional minister. Yet also on the security aspect, that means wo on security, wo na baba the head. Whoever be our region in terms of Nejuma any share or provide security biano, wo na wasa when she share the regional peace. When I was when she say a dear be a was said yes from dear babiano, who wins him and a war. Lastly, that is the fourth point. You serve as a link between the local government and the national government. And say, hey, wona bibia was ya say biano. From the local side, no, when you never swa near the abrow. When it comes to budget and planning, so on mine no, and now say the regional side, no, ni nim diemu, ni nyansemu, ni nkankrumu, se bibi beko so my president who says I region when here bibia, wona nka opagya de ko. So region here bibi in terms of development, wo na wo so ade ko. So region here infrastructure, here maintenance, here bibi I was say education, health, and any other sector biano, being it the agriculture, na say bibi biano, wo na wo so ade ko. Now the sec ministers, no, and so ye tuomo amoma be yes adwuma in your region. Nti asembisa ne say, which parts of these na wo na nye within your terrain, enye within your jurisdiction, enye within your capabilities and ne ubenya sa akonya no na obeka sa asem we di a kire ye.
Problem e wo central business area. Kejeti adon frɛ no kejeti Dubai no. Yadaka nten fefefe mu tan.
Inti asembisa ni for all these solid points defining your role, your responsibilities as a regional minister serving for that 8 good years, you know. Yemisa was say under the said article 256 of the 1992 Constitution and the Local Government Act 2016 Act 936. Chire adaka na ho ofe na mu otan no ehimfa na hu se na mu otan ehimfa na hu se na ehia maintenance ehimfa na hu se na ehia se ye hu adwuma na wo wantimi anya se adwuma na mfamwa region na wo ye mo regional minister no you become a failure but you don't accord that blame to anybody. So betina region mu anka de ahwehwe ni se so obi sie na chi ayanka bank abetene no so obi to foundation anka de bibi beto so se na ho no manka de beto nanka wuwie na ksa wo nso kwa obi aba beto aso de amaye nti oman no chechire no ene de bisa wo se as the regional minister wo tena se for 8 years no edien ena wo ye de for asa adaka na wo kan ho asem no ade at the time na hu wo mu a ene yi no wa magana fo anti ase edien na hu ya wa ma pani anti ase na nu nti da so da ho ne emisa da asem we say yo that KJT market no is not for NDC. The KJT market is neither for the NPP as well. It is a national development. It is a national project. It is a national asset. And your money in Adia. In as much as a certain government being a yes idea no doesn't warrant that political party in itself a yenejapadia. Now so no, we put you at the head of administration. We put you at the head of anything be a bebwa because nipa mienu intimi and your captains in one shape. Nemomono intinia to abayi our own leaders se muni yenim na momwa yen to aso ne mission sembi se bi na understanding enya clear ema me no mienu because yen kan kwani ye die ntini ye political leaders as on person obeti ase so sa so dia anywhere now so the future and e be kire yen se de edua ne ne no ye betime twa na adaka ne eho ofe ne mu otan no nanso ne de hye nipa no mu bi nsa no wantimi an correct de e tan no amna anya fe said yanka all pay because on an ye leader no ye misa the said project no ye chemu in 2 phases, that is the phase 1 and phase 2. Now the phase 1 started officially construction started in July 2015. That was when Enemu na 2016 ye change of government eba ye ba because na bibia ede na akwam na nhyehyɛ egu akwam nti no construction etwa so dwumadi na ekɔ so a ye wie the first one in 2018 officially ye commission in 2019 ye misa se time ani ye commission the KGTR market, that is the Dubai no na aban ben na ewa aban na himfo na ɛhyɛ omunsa under whose administration and right from the time ye commission KGTR phase 1 over 8,000 stores are involved transport terminals ahodo taxes ahodo ye DJ free phase 1 no no samfa so de no himfo nsabe mu na sɛ sika no kɔye na de maintenance ben na nanke ehwe animu si ebetime ya aye de afasa project we hu a enne the former regional minister epese yeti ase se sa maintenance no yentimi amfa yensansom ya nyanfa mwa region na wo say wo mde wakoma so na so obi betimi awe ne presidential seat a ke free sa region nim no ya nyama so amamfa so amfa ma wo mo na nka osusu se senka problem bi wo ho se dia ebinum kan nsem tantantan to ayampia ena nsuo to na ebore yi nsuo to na yese no meanwhile you've paid money to someone. We've paid money akọ obi nsem sa maintenance no wo BCC honam when was enkoto sa maintenance no so ye twan amasa nipa kro no aba be sa maintenance no de amo no ono ana ho aden ene ye boye ho abrosa automatically as enema was enkesi kọ no na osanka May 2nd 2019 enanka this phase 2 no start here ye nyina ye hu the former president His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo Ekokate sword for the commencement of the phase 2 ABC ne before say to aba in 2024 ni to o maban the freeze one even though per said their calculation in TSCT no na osanka e take 48 months to its completion divided 48 by 12, that is 12 months in a year. Obetia say within a certain 4 years the completion of the phase 2 no osanka ye hu adwuma nanso no eba ne sen ani ya anye hu adwuma na mpokran the phase 1 nanka problem wo ho a regional minister mua serving for 20 years leadership in this Fourth Republic e na otimi ye de fa ho ye refi ne afin say oman no eno ani say wudi political party bi achi ana there be je move on the larger scale yenim an she de ya practice poor politics e wo man ni mu ne yenim say enye ye ho nipa bi na ye ya saa ne ye pe no na NPP ne NDC akoso atwa ya be etumfuturo bi ani yenye ya adwen se be pensuo di apepa ne am ye ni so ada ho ne aka kire won se abrodie no ados ni ntino enno ya ye die mu a asante mantam mu ya ye kofo ya estate Ikofro market 2008 18 years now. What have we done about that market? Ya bet na ba mu for 8 years edien ene ye de fa ho into within 8 years nanki ntimi complete the Ikofro market no emfa ma yanka se enuanom mo ka me se ebo abro wo ka kire obi dia wa ba ye se eno de airtime ne ye hu ne fe nanso ne dia yanka se ye de ntimi anto aso amfa ma ye ho
kayeti anokra no ye kra no ye ni anye hwan ye fe
Yentu asonko yaye de mu a His Excellency John Agyekum for the former president ehumfa so e woso ne boa esom se obesi ultra modern maternity and children block edibema Kumasi Tafo Hospital ekoba ne sei ekowie ne sei construction started 2003 down to 2005 a free honum abro NDC by yanto block ba kokra mfa nto so nanso no nkiemfa de saa se won wetirimu odin na wonwene ye de ehu nti no wantimi anto aso change of government ebai and also take another solid 8 years from 2016 down to 2024 ABC ne kwasimen sa aban anye o sanso na nado aban so antimi anye enti ye say we die na ye na we nso die na ye papa munyina mo abro na munyina mudi oman nawu na timamuni mpese obadwene ho because political party kala binti because political shirt bi ade mu anu nti na dwene a wose wo dwene tra so ma ne te ase ase na nka manyo eye metu aba ma we nka wo ye de anya nka meka no wose nka yemfa de anya ne mfa nhyɛ ho nyem paint a different picture ene yento aso e ne nkokwabre east Mamponte market edien ne no so kokosi ye we started 2012 to 2013 na nka esusu se eno nsi obi aban o ana nka wo ye yanto blog ba akokra mfansi so ebesi nne eno so akwa ne sebe yanumfo yi edidibia yanumfo ba bi omkokotena no mo ye niema bi from 2012-2013 ebesi nne mamponten eda sisi ma regional minister wa betena se for 8 years osi wa huna na yento aso e ne nkwa atwema nwa bieja Afari Military Hospital, even though the agreement started way back 2008, but construction started in 2nd March 2014. Military Hospital, no, of which Nanka was sent Kankrata Semu, or sent in 2018, a BC ne Afari Military Hospital, Eda Sisiwo. Yamonwa, even though send another Danko for the government, and my several dates from 2023, 2024 to September 2025. Jehunu da sesa project ne betimi awie. Do we know the anke betimi asomebody ama wo school ni na wo say makọ nursing training mawie, makọ nursing school mawie, maye adwuma we mawie, mekura sa nimdie we mekura sa certificate we no. Na nka oni mfaso anka de bebre ye nyina na. Nanso no, ese political party nti. Memi nka no kwane mfa nkyere ye ho. Na wo ka no kora na de mfaso ne ba no. Eye sa party ni nkwa na be benefit ana. Eye ye nyina on the larger scale. This is not how we practice democracy, and this has never been the reason to yeje fahudie na we ankwankwa e kwa menkom abotaye sanke beje fahudie na nke wo gina so mpie so aka kire say henceforth a black man should be capable, a black man is capable of managing his own affairs no na nke yensem bi sei enima bi sei na nke yehwehwe animu senka obentin ya nka asumesi bank obeto aso na nka asumesi ya na nka obentin so aba abaye na nka aboa mo manage na dibrebe. How many projects and ya neglect no edaho? Na the former regional minister pese yeti asese kejetia phase 1 no kwa na maami a ofra ho so ye oba atan na hwensem a ye ka
kejetia no kwa no ye kwa no ye ni anyo anyo ye fe ye mpe kejetia no kwa so ye kwa ye ni nyo
Mahama wo mu di fa kula no ai ko fo na yesatu wo na wanyo wo de tu no ha America tire no na kejetia na wa na ha de ka de se mo bi ensuo to akura so we ase ba ha ye nto hwehwe me wase nto market me store te se we miensa esan wa ka de de ma me wo be si hanom na so wo ka se be bia nso wa ho na beto ade itimi tire fa no pa ni asa ka to ha ne ada
me kufu ado every say kejetia anya Mahama na be ye na Oma mpanyini kufuo ene saase ene obeto aso eti sa watu aso enye obotom sika eti yaye so mo na ba ya eka ye nu po enye bi
maami a wukofi am ya fra so oba tan na ebe yo maami na ebe yo ka wa abadaye no na sanke wa hoɔden timi de kansam ya ede fa bibi ho a eya ade anka yi afri awia ne nsuo ne atache mu nkan na nka kejetia na nka atache ne nsuo ene nyanyade mu na nka ati o. And so it took a certain force be and san ye babajatum. Despite the several words ye carry far on, say impu or babia project we no. I can say na kombabe to their fall. Into some people went on naked demonstration. Now so still now. Your mother your son became a reality. Near the whom side you were 2 days a KJT Dubai. Meaning say KJT fair because Dubai a whole year to see one of them care feno. Nanke was same beacon. Nke de present afo France ameka ho nke ye nse de wodada no e wapaje de asikonkon so no won na nke ye kan de ato sa amenanim e na santeman ye hwehwe na nka nkro ben ne susu se nke ye predia magana nyina na wo a wote ho no ma wo fin sa yampe na abeto wo fin say it's all about politics wo fin say it's all about MPP and NDC. No, you are making a big mistake because they will continue to fool us. It's up to us so that be keeping them on their toes, for them to do the right thing at the right time. Said the be na omon tonko so a emfa yenti sesebe nwa bi no nanso yenso sa dae no your friend say bibia is about say ye monko ha ni mpian fama. This has always been on the street with me. Synergy